Hello friends, I'm Fariha. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are exploring the electromagnetic spectrum. It is the ultimate cosmic continuum. We will look at two extreme opposites. Gamma rays, the most energetic monsters in the universe, and radar technology, the invisible grid that keeps our modern aviation and defense system safe. Now, first we will start from the electromagnetic spectrum. The electromagnetic spectrum encompasses all the types of electromagnetic radiation organized by the frequency and wavelength ranging from radio waves to gamma rays. Definition and components. The electromagnetic spectrum is the full range of electromagnetic radiation, which includes various types of waves categorized by the frequency or wavelengths. The spectrum is divided into several bands, each with distinct characteristics and applications. The main components of the electromagnetic spectrum listed from lowest to highest frequency are radio waves, microwaves, infrared radiation, visible light, ultraviolet, UV light, X-rays and gamma rays. Radio waves, these have even the longest wavelengths ranging from millimeters to kilometers and are used in communication technologies such as radio and television broadcasting. Microwaves, these have even shorter wavelength than radio waves. Microwaves are used in cooking, microwave ovens and radar technology. Infrared radiation, this type of radiation is felt as heat and is used in various applications including remote controls and thermal imaging. Visible light. This is a portion of the spectrum that can be seen by the human eye, encompassing all the colors from violet to red. Ultraviolet UV light. UV light has shorter wavelength than visible light and is responsible for causing sunburns. It is also used in sterilization and fluorescent lights. X-rays, these have even shorter wavelengths and are commonly used in medical imaging to view inside of the body. Gamma rays, with the highest frequency and the shortest wavelength. Gamma rays are produced in nuclear reactions and are used in cancer treatment through imaging. Characteristics and applications. Wave particle duality. Electromagnetic radiation exhibits both wave-like and particle-like behavior. Each type of radiation carries the energy in the form of photons with energy proportional to its frequency. Ionizing versus non-ionizing radiation. Radiation such as X-rays and gamma rays is classified ionizing because it has enough energy to remove tightly bonded electrons from atoms, potential causing damage to biological tissues. In contrast, radio waves and visible light are non-ionizing and do not have sufficient energy to ionize atoms. Importance of the electromagnetic spectrum. Understanding the electromagnetic spectrum is crucial for advancements in various fields, including communication, medicine, and astronomy. Communication. Radio waves and microwaves are essential for wireless communications technologies. Medicine, X-rays, and gamma rays are vital for diagnostic, imaging, and cancer treatment. Astronomy. Different wavelengths of electromagnetic radiation allow astronomers to study celestial objects and phenomena. The electromagnetic spectrum is fundamental to our understanding of the universe and has numerous practical applications that impact daily life. Now, next we have gamma rays. Gamma rays are high energy electromagnetic radiation with the shortest wavelength and the highest frequency in the electromagnetic spectrum produced by the nuclear reactions and other high energy process. Definition and properties. Unlike alpha or beta particles, gamma ray have no mass, no electric charge, allowing them to penetrate materials such as human tissue, concrete, and lead more easily. Origin and production. Gamma rays are primarily produced in nuclear reactions and high energy astrophysical events. On Earth, they are emitted during disintegration of radioactive atomic nuclei, gamma decay, and perannihilation of electrons and positrons in gamma decay. An exciting nucleus releases excess energy as a gamma photon without changing its number of protons or neutrons. In space, gamma rays are generated by supernova, neutron stars, pulsars, black holes, and gamma ray bursts, which are among the most energetic events in the universe. Applications: gamma ray have important application in medicine, industry, and scientific research. In medicine, they are used for cancer treatment through radiation therapy and for imaging techniques like positron emission tomography, short form PET. Industrial gamma rays are used to sterilize medical equipment, pharmaceuticals, and food by destroying microorganisms. In astrophysics, gamma rays observatory help scientists study high energy and cosmic phenomena and the composition of planetary surfaces. Safety consideration: due to their high energy and penetration power and ionizing nature, gamma rays can cause DNA damage, cancer, and radiation sickness if exposure is significant. Shielding with dense materials like lead or concrete is necessary to protect against gamma radiation. On Earth, the magnetosphere protects life from the most cosmic gamma rays, but artificial sources of radioactive materials require careful handling. Gamma rays are a fundamental part of the electromagnetic spectrum, bridging from nuclear physics, astrophysics, particle application, while also posing significant safety challenges due to their high energy and penetrating ability. Now, next we have radar technology. Radar technology, an acronym for radio detection and ranging, is a detection system that uses radio waves to determine the distance, angle, or velocity of object. It is widely used in aviation, weather forecasting, navigation, and military. How radar works? Emission: the radar transmitter emits electromagnetic waves, radio waves, microwaves into the atmosphere. Reflection: when these waves hit an object like an aircraft, raindrop, or tree train, they scatter. Detection: a receiver captures the reflected waves and analyzes their time, delay, and frequency shift. Doppler effect to pinpoint the object's location and speed. Next, safety considerations. Weather tracking detects precipitation, rain, snow, ice, storm intensity, and wind speed using Doppler radar. Aviation and marine assists in traffic control, preventing mid-air collisions and guiding ships safely through poor visibility. Military and defense, used for early warning system, tracking missiles, and targeting. Automotive powers collision avoidance system and adaptive cruise control in the modern vehicles. So this was all about the electromagnetic spectrum, gamma rays, and radar technology. If you want more informative videos, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.